Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today, I'll be walking you through the XStar S. The XStar S is an integral part of the MasterCraft legacy. It has helped continue progression within the tow sports segment for 25 years. The most luxurious styling, top shelf amenities, and powerful performance come standard with the XStar S. In fact, this flagship comes standard with features that other brands don't even offer. The XStar S features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system. Simply select a rapid surf preset and the XStar S creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. Take wave customization to the next level and switch over to the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Up to 30 profiles can be saved so riders can produce their ideal wave at the touch of a button. And new for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding, minimize your wait time with fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain your ballast in about 4 minutes. With the XStar S, this is a fan favorite feature that comes standard. The XStar S also comes standard with the underwater exhaust, drastically reducing engine noise and fumes to elevate the cockpit experience. And for a superior drive, upgrade your XStar S with the most powerful stern thrusters on the market. It's able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. MasterCraft's stern thruster is an incredible feature for tight docking and quicker rider pickups. Thruster control is integrated into the throttle knob. It's incredibly intuitive and easy to use. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. What sets the XStar S apart are the transom chase loungers. Standard headrests and a built-in footrest take cove hangs to new heights. And with built-in storage in the transom walkthrough, you get an additional stowaway spot for vests and ropes. The XStar S continues to impress in the cockpit. With seating for up to 16 people, the XStar S has plenty of space for your whole crew. The U-shaped configuration is perfect for entertaining, and the cockpit also offers extensive under-seat storage and a built-in cooler location. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Keep your crew cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. No need to shy away from those rich colors that fit your custom design. The XStar S comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area. These holders were intentionally placed under the gunnel to keep phones safe and out of direct sunlight. Even better, all 4 of the phone holders can be upgraded with wireless charging. Packed to the brim with premium Klipsch audio, you and your crew can enjoy the highest quality acoustic entertainment on the XStar S. Standard with our premium audio package, the XStar S has 6 cockpit speakers, 2 additional dash speakers, and a bonus subwoofer for extra bass. The XSR S can be equipped with 3 different tower options, Z6, Z8, and the Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use, redesigned clamping board racks. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for board storage, the most in the industry. The Z8 and Z10 towers can be customized with colored inlays to show off your style and tie your design together. To elevate your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The XSR S distinguishes itself by providing a best-in-class experience for captains. The Helm comes standard with a dual-screen setup and a tower camera to take your Helm views to the next level. Below the dash, the XSR S is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone full of power. Standard telematics allow remote access to the health and vitals of your XSR S from anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The telematics box installed in your XSR S shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, bilge status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. And for 2024, telematics gets even better. Digital switching is now integrated into the MasterCraft Connect app, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The XStar's iconic Pickle Fork bow started it all, and the XStar S carries the same styling. This Pickle Fork provides plenty of room for relaxation and built-in armrests for top-level lounging. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works best for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, storage runs throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The XStar S has a taller freeboard or whole side height. This provides a deeper feel inside the boat and makes for the driest, smoothest ride in the segment. These features put the XStar S in a class of its own regarding ride quality. Plus, MasterCraft uses the best materials in the build process to ensure that we deliver the best on-water experience out there. With the XStar S, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with premium companies to bring you the best product possible, like Elmore Marine. Elmore is the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft, and they are famous for hand-building race car engines. Our engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about MasterCraft's flagship model, the legendary XStar S. If you want to take a test drive or learn more, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.